Hi, welcome back to my one question tutorial about Pinterest. Today's question is, what is an idea pin? But before I show you how you can create one yourself, let's talk about what it is. Idea pins are almost like stories on Facebook or Instagram with one important difference. They don't disappear. An idea pin can have up to 20 pages, each page being a video or an image or text. You will recognize an idea pin by it having a little square with a line in the top right corner of the square up to the left corner of the pin. If you click on an idea pin, you can scroll through the different pages. You cannot save individual pages of an idea pin, but you can save the whole idea pin to one of your boards. You can interact with an idea pin in many different ways. And let me put my phone screen up here so we can take a look. Here we have an idea pin. You see the little symbol up here. This idea pin has just one video in it, but let's look at it. Here we have the idea pin, and we were talking about interaction. You can like it by clicking the little heart here. You can send it to someone by clicking this little symbol. You can leave a comment by clicking this little speech bubble, and you can save it to one of your boards. So how do you create a pin? Here we are on the help center of Pinterest, and I just searched in help for idea pins. And here we have the section about before you get started. Before you create an idea pin, you need to accept and agree to the creator code. The creator code is a pledge to create idea pins that follow our community guidelines. So if you go to the help section, search for idea pins and scroll down, you can click on creator code. And here we have the creator code. You have to read everything about this, and at the bottom you sign the creator code. And by signing that, you are ready to start creating idea pins. After I have signed it, I need to allow Pinterest to connect to my phone and use the camera and the microphone. So now the question is, how do I create a pin? If I click on the little plus down here, you see I can create a regular pin, a board, but at the top I have idea pin. And here I am on my phone. So let's say that the first page on my idea pin should be me talking. So let's click the record button, and the video can be up to 60 seconds. This is how you can create an idea pin on Pinterest. I have recorded the first part. I'm clicking next, and there we have it. I can add text, and let's write idea pins. By clicking this little A, I can change the layout of it. I can change the color, and I can change the position. Here I can change the font, and when I'm done with that first picture, I click done. If I want to add another one, I just swipe to the left, hit the plus sign, and here I can upload from my phone in this case. Let's add that one, and let's add a photo too, and let's add that, and next. I can also add stickers. Let's add a little Christmas hat here. And when you look at stickers, you see they have recipes, DIY, style, nature, doodles, and words. So let's add a little create your own. And I can change colors if I want to. And you see I can pick the color by dragging that. And now I am done with this idea pin. When I click done, I must add a title here. I can add it to a list. I can pick it to a board. Let's pick DIY here. And under advanced settings, I can choose if people can comments. And now it is live. And if you look up here, my little profile picture shows up. And if I click on that, my pin is playing. If I go to my profile to DIY, that's where I saved it. If I regret this pin, I click on it, I go to the 3 little dots. If I click there and shows edit, I can delete the pin. So there you have it, the answer to the question, what is an idea pin and how do I create one? Hej då!